Hello fellow video editor. I'm assuming you came here today to learn how to remove the green screen from a video with the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Today I'm on the free version 20, as you can see. This can be done in the free version. You don't need the paid version to do this. So we're going to start out by clicking on our edit tab. We're in the edit window now. Up here in the media area, we're going to right click and we're going to import some media. We're going to import these two clips. I have a stock footage of a river here. We're going to drag that on to our timeline. Then we're going to drag a subscribe button onto our timeline as well. Now if I put the playhead over that subscribe button, we can see that it's black and we can't see the river behind it, and that's what we want. We want it to be opaque in this black area. So all we have to do is go up here to our effects tab, click on open effects, and we're going to search for 3D keyer. Simply type 3D and it should come up. Now we drag that 3D keyer onto our subscribe button clip and simply let go, and the little FX icon came up, so we know that it took. Now all we do is we go to this area right here, hit your drop down button and make sure that you're on open effects overlay. Click that, make sure that the subscribe button is highlighted, or whatever video clip you have here is highlighted, and simply draw in the black area and it's gone, just like that. That's how easy it is to remove a green screen in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. That's all I have for you today. We will see you in the next video.